Hi friends, today we are showing the tutorial of XAMPP installation on Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish 22.04 version. So let's start with first of all we need to download the XAMPP package from Apache friend sites. So just opening browser and downloading it from Apache sites. You need to find out that appropriate version for the Linux and download it. It's around 151 MB to 153 MB, whatever PHP version or XAMPP version you need to install. So our downloaded version could be installed in Ubuntu. You can find out the reading portion where you find that Linux FAQs where all the necessary steps are there. So we are downloading it and save it to our system. That could be a .run file. So we are downloading in the download section and it will take few seconds. Depends on your broadband or internet speed. So after the installation we will go through the entire process step by step how to install XAMPP in Ubuntu Linux. Now it is downloaded. You can find it. So we can install that through terminal. So we need to go to the FAQs. You can install it through the terminal. Ubuntu or any other operating system, might be Windows or iOS, there are different download options for Apache friend websites. You can find out the steps where you just go through after installation, how you can start XAMPP or stop XAMPP, is your XAMPP working on your system or not. So there is the Linux frequently asked questions. There are commands already there, like this one or the below one. So first of all we need to change that permission. If your operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit, you need to change the permission for the installer, which we had previously downloaded in download folder. So right now opening the terminal and paste it, and now the permission has changed. We need to do the next step to run the next command to install the package, where we need the sudo command to run the package. When it is done, then my bad, need to password. So once it is command is run successfully, the visual interface for the installation comes up. We need to go forward for that one. You can choose the components, the core files and developer options. You can check or uncheck and go to the forward button, and the installation directory would be opt lamp, and that the directory would be the htdocs. So go forward. Right now the installation process is started. Sometimes it could take a little bit more time, but don't worry about it. You have to stick around it and do not close the terminal during the setup. Please keep patience during the installation. Sometimes it takes a little bit much more time, but you have to keep patient during the installation. The entire process could be finished up within 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll try to keep the video within 10 to 15 minutes. There are a lot of frequently asked questions could be found on Apache Friends website, so you can explore them. There are lots of information you could gather from that site, and you know that okay, our installation is already 74 or 75%, so it will take some time. Those are very informative sections. You know that the app XAMPP is fully open source and free to use local server for development. You can do the development on front end or back end. Yeah, right now we are almost done with the installation. It is showing 100%, but it's okay. It will take some glitches, but no issue. Okay, now we need to go through the finish button and launch the XAMPP. But there is a catch. Sometimes we can't create the project folder or create file to htdocs folder for the permission, so we have to configure these things also. So here is the opening panel. You could start here. You can check the server. You can start or stop, enter 3 process for the button start all, stop all, or restart all. So now we can figure out that we can create a project folder on the htdocs folder or not. So right now we are closing the application and we'll start the XAMPP through terminal with command. So here we can stop the that used to stop the XAMPP, the server, and we will start with the same. Just remove that stop option. Yeah, this thing. You could find that net start command not found, so we have to install the net start command. So the command, here it is, the command to install the net start. XAMPP once again and start it, and it's fine. So the net start things are sorted out. The command is sudo apt install hit start. So now I have told you previously, we need to figure out that is it possible to create files or projects in localhost folder, that is for Ubuntu is htdocs, comes under opt-lamp. So we are checking in browser, localhost are working fine, the dashboard is shown up. So going to the particular folder, opt-lamp, then htdocs. Now if we right click the new folder option, shift control and not worked because the htdocs folder right now disable the permission, so we need to enable the permission through chmod. So we can create files. You can put the permission 777 or 755, whatever as per your requirements for the htdocs folder. Okay, so just leave the trailing. The slash htdocs not working, so could not find that directory or file. So right now it is okay. Now permission is enabled. Okay, check once again. Yeah, so type in the password and no error find, and now you can create the new folder. Options are right now visible, and creating a folder. With the name of test XAMPP. Okay, so we can create a HTML file for demo purpose if the local server working or not. So we are opening a text editor and putting down some HTML codes. This HTML file will be saved in the test XAMPP folder, so we can check out that everything working perfect in our local server. We are saving index.html, and now we have to check that text XAMPP. We are editing something on the index.html file, so we can check out that it will reflect or not. If it is reflecting, then bounce. So it's really working, and please let me know with comments that this video is helpful or not. If think any comments need to be done, please comment out below the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.